Delay and sensitivity. Let's talk about how these settings can optimize your helmet performance and ultimately improve your weld quality. Delay controls how long the lens remains dark after welding. Try setting delay at about 4 to 5 to start. Increase the delay to stay dark longer or decrease to lighten quicker. Next comes sensitivity, which controls how the lens responds to different light levels. A setting of 0 means the lens will only darken to a bright light, whereas a setting of 10 will darken with minimal light. We recommend starting with a sensitivity setting around 5 to 6 for most applications and reducing the sensitivity if the lens stays dark for too long. Both settings are subjective, so it's best to start near the middle and fine-tune as needed. For more information on Miller welding helmets, visit millerwelds.com.